Hyundai India has officially revealed the third generation i20 ahead of its launch on the 5th of November 2020. Bookings have now opened for a token amount of 21,000 rupees, and the order can be placed on Hyundai's digital channels, while dealerships will begin accepting bookings from the 28th of October. The all-new Hyundai i20 sports a completely new look with a more exciting design language and will be offered in 4 variants: Magna, Sports, Asta and Asta Option. The car will be offered with 2 petrol and 1 diesel engine options, while there will be 4 transmission choices including a manual, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, intelligent variable transmission and an intelligent manual transmission or IMT. The new offering will be sold in 8 color options that include 2 dual-tone colors. The new i20 will compete against the Tata Altroz, Honda Jazz, Maruti Suzuki Baleno and the likes in the segment. Having announced its exit from the Indian market earlier this year, Harley-Davidson has now entered into an agreement with Hero MotoCorp for the sale, service and distribution of the brand's motorcycles. India's Hero will be retailing Harley's premium motorcycles from the bike maker's exclusive dealerships as well as from Hero's existing dealership network pan-India. Moreover, Hero dealerships will also sell Harley parts, accessories and merchandise under the distribution agreement. However, the big news is that Hero MotoCorp and Harley-Davidson have entered into a new licensing agreement that will see Hero develop and sell a range of premium motorcycles under the Harley-Davidson brand name. The move is expected to see Hero develop new middleweight Harley motorcycles for India and the globe. Ducati India will launch the BS6 compliant Multistrada 950S on 2nd of November 2020. This will be the third BS6 compliant model from the bike maker after the Panigale V2 and the Scrambler 1100 Pro range. Bookings for the motorcycle have also begun at dealerships for a token amount of 1 lakh rupees. The 2020 Ducati Multistrada 950S will be the brand's most accessible adventure tourer, and power will come from the same 937cc L-twin engine. Power and torque figures are likely to stay the same on the BS6 version, with 111 brake horsepower and 96 Nm of peak torque on offer. The bike though is expected to see a weight increase of 3 kg. The Multistrada 950S will be loaded on the feature front and compete against the likes of the Triumph Tiger 900, BMW F850 GS and the Honda Africa Twin.
If you liked that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.